Alright guys, this is one very beautiful question from Cat 24, the first lot. One of my personal favorite questions because a lot of concepts are involved here. So let's see. In the xy plane, the area in square units of the region defined by the inequalities y greater than equal to x plus 4 and minus 4 less than equal to x square plus y square plus 4x minus y less than equal to 0 is. So we'll start by looking at this inequality. Let's start by observing this. This is minus 4 less than or equal to x square plus y square plus 4 into x minus y is 4x and 4 into minus y. This should be less than or equal to 0. Now, if you notice carefully, I have x square and 4x. If I write them together, it will simply become x square plus 4x. And I also have y square minus 4y. If I combine them together, y square minus 4y. Now, if you notice carefully, these two are already of the form a square plus 2ab and a square minus 2ab, right? For both of these terms, I simply need to introduce a b square term, right? So I need a 4 and a 4, 8 throughout. So let's add 8 throughout in this inequality. We have seen this in the inequalities chapter. Whenever the same value is added throughout, the inequality will not change its sign. Minus 4 plus 8 will be 4 only. So 4 less than equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 will be less than equal to 0 plus 8, that is 8. So now I can very clearly see this part is actually x plus 2 the whole square plus the next part is y minus 2 the whole square. So 4 is less than equal to x plus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square, which is less than or equal to 8. Now what we can observe here is, if I simply ignore the inequalities for a few minutes, let's focus on this part first. I have x plus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square is equal to 4, which is 2 square. Okay, this resembles the standard equation of a circle, guys. X minus a the whole square, where a is the x coordinate of the center of circle, plus y minus b the whole square, where b is the y coordinate of center of circle, is equal to r square, r being the radius of circle. So I've simply transformed everything into the center radius form of the circle. I can now compare a will be minus 2, b will be 2, and radius r will also be 2. This equation represents a circle having radius 2 and center coordinates minus 2 and 2. Now, let's observe the same thing for the other expression. Now, let's observe the exact same thing for the next equation. X plus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square is equal to root 8 the whole square. This is again the equation of a circle whose center coordinates are same, minus 2 and 2, and the radius r will be root 8. Technically, this and this, these two equations are two circles having radii root 8 and 2 and center coordinates minus 2 and 2. So basically, I have two concentric circles, and in this case, their radii are 2 and root 8. Now let's draw them together on our Cartesian coordinate axis. So now, as you can see here, I have two concentric circles. Their center is minus 2 comma 2, coordinates minus 2 comma 2, and radii are basically 2 and root 8 respectively. So that's the diagram basically. Now, this equation x plus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square is 2 square represents the inner circle, and x plus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square is 8, or root 8 square represents the outer circle. In this question, you simply want x plus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square to be less than equal to 8 and greater than equal to 4. That means you want the region in between the two circles, right? Because you don't want x plus 2 the whole square and y minus 2 the whole square to be either equal to 4 or equal to 8. You want it to be in between. So basically, you want the area between the two circles. So right now, this inequality is nothing but the area between the two circles. The second task is, we have the second inequality, y greater than equal to x plus 4. This y greater than equal to x plus 4 can be considered as y is equal to x plus 4. Y is equal to x plus 4. If you put x is equal to 0, y will be 4. So I'll highlight this point 0, 4. Similarly, if you put y is equal to 0, x is minus 4. So I will highlight the second point minus 4, 0 on this line. Additionally, guys, if you observe carefully, when I substitute x equal to minus 2, I get y equal to 2. That means this line also passes through the center of this circle. And since you want y to be greater than equal to x plus 4, You want the region above this blue line, right? So region above this blue line and also in between the two circles will be the area I'm highlighting in blue right now. This part will be the required answer now. Okay, the area between the two circles and half of it. And this is exactly what I will do to get the answer to the question. I'll take area of the bigger circle, pi r square, pi root 8 square only. From that, I'll subtract area of smaller circle, pi 2 square. And whatever answer I get, I'll divide that with 2. So pi into root 8 square is 8 pi minus pi into 2 square is 4 pi. Divide by 2. 8 pi minus 4 pi is 4 pi upon 2. The final answer to the question would be 2 pi, option B. Lot of things, lot of thought in this question, lot of multiple concepts applied into one. And that's how we get the answer. The answer is option B, 2 pi.